So, another reveal. This is actually something that I bought before I hurt myself and haven't got around to it, but I also bought that. And I did do pictures a while back of it for a reveal, but you know, just never got around to it. So yeah, if you guys want to see this on my channel, you know, like, subscribe, comment, let me know, because this one is another one that I do plan to keep. And the reason I haven't got to it, it runs also, just, you know, needs a battery, has a problem with the starter button on the floor. Let's see, oh yeah, that's right, driveline needs U-joints, which have the U-joints, but again, when my back was messed up, I could never get around to it. So yeah, but my plan on this one, because I do plan to keep this one too, but tractor truck. What is a G7117 is what I'm planning to make it, from a G506. You know, get the overloads on, fifth wheel hitch. It's going to be a newer conversion though, because I also wanted to do gooseneck, stuff like that, pintle ball, but I do plan to put a newer motor in it, so that 235 is not going to be staying in there. So I'm looking at, well, I do have a 292, but again, that's down the line. So yeah, anyway, I figured since I'm down here, I'm gonna go about the ranch, you know, all that good stuff. So yeah, anyway, let's see if I can hear. But yeah, so if you want to see more on this truck, it's a 41 G506, but just let me know, you know, because it's going to be one of those round 2 up projects. But I think that would make a neat tractor truck, a little 4x4 yarder. So, oh yeah, that one, never showed it on YouTube, but that's the parts truck for the other one out back there. And yeah, anyway, I'm just down here at the ranch. I'm again trying to motivate myself. So, oh yeah, I'm thinking I still haven't done anything with that one since. So thinking parts truck maybe, because I still don't have a title on it, but because I was thinking about using it for more stuff, but somewhere, yeah, it must be the other side, but it's got a crack in the frame. So yeah, somewhere around in here. Oh, is that, yeah, right there. You can barely see it, but oh, there's, okay, actually 2 cracks I just saw. So I'm thinking parts truck, probably a parts truck. So yeah, anyway, just another shorty for you guys. So I will get a video of that one up and running for you guys sometime. Probably not this winter though, because, you know, medical stuff right now. So yeah, anyway, hope you enjoy it. See ya on the next one.